Oh no.
Guys, we're doing an eyebrow cut. I hate it.
I die. Okay.
Trash.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone, number 2. Welcome back to my channel.
Do you know what? I'm just gonna apply this Too Faced lip injection just to make my lips pop. Pep. And then I'm gonna regret that in like, I don't know, 2 minutes. No ad, but this is no joke. Anyway, in this video, I'm gonna force Vincent to dye his hair with me. And I do have his consent. I'm not actually forcing it. Or am I? Oh, my lips are so red now. I just found out I can make a really funny face. So the plan is Vincent and I, we are gonna go to the Glow, which is a German beauty convention. I've been there for a couple of times now, actually like maybe 5 or 6. And it's Vincent's first time to go there, actually his first event in general. And I said, we need good outfits. We need a popping outfit. We need cool hair. Turning into Trisha Paytas. God, that literally is Trisha Paytas. Anyway, Vincent and I, we have a plan. The plan is right behind me, right here. Because on Wednesdays, we wear pink. Gonna be Saturday, but that doesn't matter. The idea was we're gonna go in all pink, pink hair, pink outfit, pink shoes. Shoes are a part of the outfit because I kind of want to live my pink vibe, my fantasy, my destiny, and I'm kind of forcing Vincent to do so too. You're welcome, broccolissss, you're welcome. And I'm gonna wear this pink faux fur coat, and I'm actually gonna wear this. This is literally just a pink bra. I hope it's not gonna be too crazy for Germany because we are not America, sweetie, so I'm gonna get judged for it. I don't care because I'm a crazy broccoli. Also, this is like just this little bit of fabric, and I definitely do not have the boobs to fill those cups in. I don't care if people are gonna judge, I'm just gonna do it because I don't want my boobs to feel discriminated. I want them to feel comfortable and to be part of everyone else. No boob discrimination. Maybe I could even wear those pink glasses. Oh my god, I'm a genius! Anyway, that is the plan for me, and we also picked a pink outfit for Vincent. But today we actually need to do something with my hair because it is quite a mess. I wanted to give my hair a break of bleach break. So my roots are greasy and ugly. I think the last time I bleached my hair was October 2019. Also, that is still here, this little pink strand. I hate it. My friend and hairdresser Christo is gonna come over and he's gonna bleach my roots and we're gonna cut my hair short. I want the length I had when I had orange hair. Then I'm gonna dye it pink one day before the Glow. Vincent always said he hates dyed hair on men. He just doesn't like the look of it, and that's why we're gonna dye his hair pink. Why not give it a try?
Oh, hello.
Taco just sat down right there. What did you do with that chair? Wow, your door is so noisy.
What do you mean?
Taco, you look like a little chicken. Is that a chicken? What are those?
Fashion.
Yeah, I've just been cleaning the hallway, so don't mind that. I just showed them my outfit, kind of, just a little bit, a little sneak peek, doodle doodle.
No,
Okay.
gestern vor 3 Jahren wird zusammengezogen.
Oh, Merry Christmas! Okay, guys, we are getting into it. This is Christo.
Hello.
This is Vincent.
Hello, my name is Vincent.
So we kind of want to apply extensions, but just this one clip on both sides and then just roll with it. We should apply this, like just glue it like right here. So my bangs are covered and not that ugly anymore. Obviously we're going to cut it onto the same length as all my other hair.
No, we won't.
If I know I'm gonna be bleaching my hair, I'm not washing my hair for like 5 days.
Love it.
Because I want kind of a grease protection on my scalp. But you don't mind, right?
I never do.
He hates me. Always more. Okay, you don't have to smash my brain. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm just bleaching. Vincent is just
Dying, sleeping, falling asleep, kind of falling into death.
Can you fall into death?
Why not? Let's all fall into death.
I have to work, sorry.
Okay.
I'm here for the tea.
We're having Greek food, right?
Was heißt guten Appetit auf Griechisch?
Kaliorixi.
Galeorixi.
Yes.
Galeorixi, Vincent. Guys, we're doing a bleach bath and Chili is very interested in this whole procedure.
He's so focused.
Ja, ich spüre das auch.
That's so cute. I died. Oh my god.
The blue is not coming out.
You're doing amazing there.
I'm not doing anything.
That's what you're good at.
Well, my hair's still blue, but we're cutting this bitch off.
You need to cut it.
Your hair's so short.
Honestly, we can go even shorter.
Yes, girl. Look.
That reminds me of my teenager days when I literally just bought 3 extensions like this and I put it into my hair and I was like, I'm good to go. Guys, we are short again. These are the extensions. I mean, you can see the color difference, but that's not gonna stay like this because we're gonna dye it pink. But for now, we're gonna have to live with this color difference. But I mean, the cut. Guys, we're doing an eyebrow cut.
She made me do it.
My last eyebrow cut wasn't necessarily the best one. This is my amazing eyebrow cut. Looks super natural. Maybe I can fix it with makeup like I always do, right?
Henry, the babies, are you sleeping?
Oh, yo. Wow, Chili looks thick. Wow, this is literally the same color as my hands. Hello, it is the next day. This is my hair the next day. Yeah, my hair is a lot of different colors. There's still a bit of pink up here, but I still think this is a great base for the bright pink we're gonna do. Anyway, tomorrow Vincent and I are actually gonna go to Vienna and I'm gonna take you with me and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye.
Oh my god, I love the carpet. It looks like wood.
Legitness. It looks so sad. Welcome to my hotel room. This is the amazing setup. Why the fuck is there...
That's the carpet.
Yeah, I thought there was a rug on top of the carpet.
Lift me up, bro. Lift me up. Oh no.
Whoever thought of this interior design was definitely not Vincent.
I just don't understand these open bathrooms.
Yeah, that's weird. As we're in a hotel, we only have white towels. We did not think that through. Hotel, if you see this, you're gonna get a refund. What even is this? As always, my good old Arctic Fox colors with me, with a bit of toilet paper on the side. So I'm gonna mix this into the hair dye and then my hair's gonna be fine as fuck.
Get them away from me.
We don't even have an actual mirror, so I guess we're just gonna use the viewfinder.
That's what I wanted to bring from my room.
So this is Vincent's hair dye. It is a bit more purple than mine because I have blue in my hair and my blue is gonna make it purple in the end. You get it? Are you excited?
Getting ready for the night of night.
The night of nights tonight. Don't panic.
Panic.
It's gonna be like...
I agree.
Doesn't feel like a hair dyeing video. It just feels like I'm sitting in a hotel room on the weird carpet. That ugly ass little ugly thing back there. No offense, but you are toilet paper. I feel like it's gonna be so satisfying to dye your hair. I mean, I'm not gonna dye Vincent's hair. I'm just gonna make him dye his own hair, but I kind of want to make the first step.
Wait, no, I'm done. I think I'm done. This is it.
That's the wrong color. We're good, we're good. I'm still afraid that it won't match my outfit, but I'm just trusting into the blue pigments of my hair.
You got this, blue pigments. You got this. So what are we even doing? What are we even doing?
what are we even doing? Like,
what are we even doing?
I love dyeing my hair.
Why am I doing this? I'm dyeing my hair pink.
Yeah, why are you pretending like that's like something crazy? I never know why people think dyeing your hair is crazy. It'll wash out anyway. Then all you have is experience.
Amen, sister. Amen.
Pink, pink, pink ist alles, was ich hab. Na, 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 na. Guys, what do you think about Demi's comeback? Vincent, my hair is purple. My eye is itching. I can't itch.
I look awful. This looks awful.
Yeah.
Where's my natural beauty now?
There. I've never felt so much itch in my eye like I did right now.
Keep your eyes.
Look in mine.
My eyes itching.
Why? I look awful.
Is there a fucking fly in this shower?
That's how you dye your own hair, vicious.
Nee. Dyeing my hair blindfolded. Oh my god, would that actually be a cool challenge? Picking the colors blindfolded and then dyeing my hair blindfolded? Am I actually ready to do that? Am I that crazy?
Listen to me.
Are you crying?
Yeah.
Okay. This is how you dye your hair, right? Redmondo is shaking once again in his boots, in his cowboy boots.
Personal stylist.
What? Have you ever had a dream where you wanna? My nose is itching. Everything is itching tonight. I can feel it coming in the itch tonight. Okay. Rub it in. Looking absolutely great. Vincent hates his hair, but he's gonna look great.
Do we want to try the rose water to match your hair? Almost, not really, but like it's rose. Do you want to try it?
Give me the rose water.
But this has to taste good because I don't have any water in my room. Just smell it.
I've never smelled anything.
Okay, it's not expired.
But it smells expired as fuck. That's literally the most horrible thing I've
Can
ever
you not
tasted.
say that? I don't have any water in my room.
It's 2 p.m. It's 2 a.m. and we're going downstairs to get water because the water I just tasted. Oh hell no! Guys, we got the water. We got the water. Oh yeah.
You're having fun?
Time of my life. This is my pink hair. Honestly, maybe that's not a good look for me right now. But one thing is for sure, we're definitely both pink-haired people now. Good night, I see you tomorrow morning. Ugh, guys, I spent so much time trying to match my hair with this liner. So now I've spent a solid 35 minutes on this ombre gradient liner, which is not even that good. It's just mediocre, but it's so hard to blend with like water-based eyeliner. I'm so stupid. These pants are way too long for me. And now what can you do? I mean, I myself look totally crazy in this already, but together with Vincent, we're basically insane. And look what they put us here. My favorite water in the whole wide world. Hi. Okay, guys, so it is 1 a.m. again. The convention is over. I'm done. I already took off my lashes already. It was a really cool day. I had so much fun with my pink outfit, and I don't know, it just gave me amazing vibes. I don't know, it made me happy. I hope you enjoyed dyeing our hair at 2 a.m. in a hotel room with us. Just give me a call, we will sort that out. Yeah, just wanted to end this video and say good night. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on. Oh, Vincent is asleep already. Should I call him? I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. Which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon Snap on Snapchat, and the Naomijon on Twitter. Wow, my voice is so deep. Every time I do like a lot of talking, or I do a lot in general, my voice gets really exhausted and really low at the end of the day. It's like the man in me just wants to come out. Hello, I'm Naomijon. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.